Good morning, friends. Myself, I am Hardev, presently working in Rajarshi Shahmaras Polytechnic, Nasik. In today's lecture, we will see the velocity diagram and formulae of centrifugal pump. In previous lecture, we see the types of head of pump. So today we see the velocity diagram and formulae for centrifugal pump. So let's start. So firstly, draw the diagram, velocity diagram, inlet and outlet velocity diagram of pump. Carefully, there is a Vf1, U1, theta and alpha is the inlet angle of water, Vw2, U2, beta, theta, flow Vf2 flow velocity at the outlets given by the. So firstly draw the diagram. So U2 Vw2 outlet velocity U1 Vw U1 VR1 is a relative velocity at inlet, VR2 is a relative velocity at outlet. V1 and V2 inlet and outlet velocity, R1 and R2 inner radius of impeller, outer radius of impeller. So this is the expression for work done by impeller and formulas. So the in centrifugal pump, work done by impeller of the water, drawing inlet triangle and outlet triangle. So the water enter radially and leaves into 90 degree. So alpha is 90% and n is a speed of the impeller. So d1 is a diameter of impeller, u1 is a velocity, tangential velocity impeller at the inlet. So u1 is equal to pi d1 upon 60. So similarly u2 is a pi d2 upon 60 at the outlet. So v1 is the absolute velocity of water at inlet. vr1 is the relative velocity of water at inlet. Alpha, angle made by absolute velocity at inlet in the direction of motion of wind. Theta is a angle made by relative velocity vr1 in the direction of wind. v2, vr2, beta and phi are the corresponding value at outlet. So whenever water enter into the absolute velocity at the inlet, so alpha 0 and vw1 0. That means centrifugal pump in reverse radially inward flow reaction turbine. But in case radially inward flow reaction turbine, work done by impeller per second is given by 1 upon g vw1 u1 minus vw2 u2. So work done by impeller is per second of water striking is 1 upon g vw1 u1 minus vw2 u2. That means 1 upon g vw2 u2 minus vw1 u1. So that is work done is the vw2 u2 upon g. vw1 is 0 because initial of where w is the weight of water, rho gq, q is the velocity of flow. So write down this firstly and then next find the formulas. ये पाय
बसत नाही हा एक मिनिट थांब इकडे इकडे ती पुसून घेऊ काढून ठेव दुसरं का ती पुसून देईल काढून टाक
झालं की मला सांगा. So next is a Q, volume of water is area into velocity. So pi d1 b1 into vf1. at the inlet. Similarly, pi d2 v2 b2 vf2 at the outlet. So where b1 and b2 the impeller inlet and outlet flow velocities. So work done and q's are the important formula. Write down q formula. So next, manometric head. So efficiencies of centrifugal pump. In board exam there is ask efficiencies of centrifugal pump. So there are the three efficiencies: manometric efficiency, mechanical efficiency, and overall efficiency. So the power transmitted from shaft to electric power and shaft, then the impeller. So the from this impeller power is given to the water, power increasing to the shaft. So the first efficiency is manometric efficiency. The ratio of manometric head to the head imparted by impeller to water is known as manometric efficiency. So mathematically it is written as manometric efficiency, manometric head to the head imparted by impeller. Again I repeat, the ratio of manometric head to the head imparted by impeller. The ratio of manometric head to the head imparted by impeller is known as manometric efficiency. So manometric head to the head imparted by impeller. लक्षात ठेवा. So write down the definitions. So the formula is GHM V2 UW2, that is the efficiency, manometric efficiency. So N manometric efficiency is work done by impeller. So W upon G VW2 U2 upon 1000. So N manometric is GHM VW2 U2. Write down. So next is a manometric efficiency. So it is a power at impeller to the power of shaft. It is a W upon G VW2 U2 upon SP. Shaft power. Write down mechanical efficiency. झाली का अक्का बाई? व्हिडिओ पण जाऊ So last is the overall efficiency. Overall efficiency is a W into HM upon 1000. So overall efficiency is manometric product of manometric efficiency and mechanical efficiency. So in this way we are completed the velocity diagram and